My mom told me she saw a kitten at her house, so I went to go find it. I was in for a surprise.
Hi. Hi, babies. Oh, you okay? It's okay. Come here. Come here. Hello. Oh. I hear another one. How you guys doing? I hear a third one. I think it's outside. Hi. Where are you? Oh, hi, baby. Oh, no. It's okay. Hi, baby. You wanna come here? I don't have food. I don't have food. Oh, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you're so small. You're so small. You're so... No, Coco. No, no, no. No. So Coco accidentally, I mean, she's a big dog. I tried pushing her away. And I don't know if the cat got hurt, but basically I pushed her away and she's tied. But there's a black cat over here. This one's very brave, kept approaching Coco. And then there's two over there. Okay. The black one is drinking some, we don't have milk. It's a protein shake. I don't think you'll like it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't have milk. Oh, good job, good job. Good job. Hey, do you want some milk? Hey, do you guys want some milk? Come here. Come here, you guys. Oh, the other one's coming out. There's one more coming out. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. They're reunited. Did you guys want to come out? Here's some milk, okay? There's some milk over here. Hi. Yeah. Oh, you don't want more milk? There's more milk. You should drink the milk. Oh, you're coming to me. I don't have any. The milk is there. Oh, good. And then the third one. That's the brave one. This one is the brave one. Oh. Where you going? Where you going? No, that's dog food. Oh, they're hungry. They're thirsty. Where did the black one go? Oh, it's behind me. Hey, where you going? Okay, the gray one threw up a little bit, but he's eating his throw up. Oh no, I guess protein shakes aren't good for cats, but I don't have milk. I'm waiting for Alex to show up. She actually has, like, I think, actual milk. Oh no. I'm sorry, babies. I should probably fry. I looked up, you can, like, you can feed them scrambled eggs, so I might just do that, but I don't want to leave them alone. The dog's already tied up in the back, so Coco won't bother them. Yeah, I know. Do you want eggs? Want me to make some eggs? Oh, hi, baby. Yeah. Okay, I brought out scrambled eggs. Only the black one is eating, but we changed the protein shake to lactate milk, which is better than protein shakes, I think. They ate a little bit of the scrambled egg I made and some of the milk, but Alex is gonna come back with a pet cage so I could put them in there. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna bring them to an animal shelter. Oh my gosh, they're sleeping. Those two are sleeping. We are at the apartment. This black one is going ham on the kitty food. The other two don't really care for the kitty food. They like the crate now. And they're all so playful, it's so cute. Need a makeshift toy. I have a little wire and a ribbon, and it's bouncy enough. Yeah, these two like to play fight a lot. The black one's minding their own business.